And I think it's right and appropriate for let the nation know because I was here weeping and mourning. So now I get back my car. I just get back my car maybe an hour ago. Thanks to all who help and all who concern. And for my royal crazies, them defend me all the while I'm a customer. And I have to understand. I appreciate it, but at the end of a good day, who feels it knows it. And who feels it knows it. And me sit back and me say everybody mock me laugh my back. Not everybody. So many people mock me laugh after me. All of what I do no count. Me's all this wicked witch. But it's alright. Life goes on. Take the bitter with the sweet. We have some good times in the 3 year, 2.5 year marriage, and 3 years relationship. Now, when I was getting engaged in the bed in Jamaica, I did say if my marriage lasts for a day, I would still give thanks that I get married. Now, a lot of people bash me because I stand up for my marriage. I will never bash myself. I'm proud of myself. I'm a rate myself. But Samantha, Canada, you are come live. The car is one, but me da wait till when I get the car. Them say you land hand in a lion mouth, you take time and you dry it out. No, with all due respect, Samantha, you're in my life before I'm married. I two Samantha. Big up top class, Samantha. And my apology, forget it mix up. And them sit down and watch me make a fool of myself all over again and mix up the wrong Samantha. Samantha will pick up Dewey at airport and suck into me that cuss. Samantha, you never know me I go get the real deal. So before I'm married, me and my friend come from England and they are Jamaica. Dewey not reach England yet. And Dewey up on the veranda with her attack. And she tell Dewey how, remember me not married yet, you know. She go down 2020 go husband Samantha. That's Samantha there. We pick up Dewey at the airport when them come to England. And you make me come live, girl. Me that wait till when I get me antagonize me and I sit down here and draw my lip. Back to my husband now. So, we all know you never want me, never care about me, and never love me. You never nothing where is concerned. But guess what? I appreciate the fact that you make me be a wife. Whether it's a disgraceful wife, a disrespectful or a disintegrated wife, I am a fucking wife. And I appreciate that because all is not lost. Next thing now, you say, I never apologize, Mr. Remember, I had fake page this, you know. If I never go up on fake page, I could have get for talk to. And that's the liberty when me reach to and the respect of levels. You're up and down with everybody, a hype and a show of family, and a throw shade and whatever. But remember, I am the one, when Arlene sent for me in Canada, me are the one. We said, Dewey, more you come because I am a manager. You sell me out for everybody. I run behind everybody. I no class me. Nobody no remember the good. The only plane ticket, the slide where you slide past suitcase the 3 months after you send in for your paper, you reach at England, you get the papers the day when Rochelle did the 16th of November and by the 20th, you know, remember none of the good all the pan. My wife this, and my wife that, and my wife Taranata. You never one day talk about the good part you walk. You said, everybody where I'm a friend, I'm a link them. You have everybody number, everybody link, and you sneak behind them and you make link. I never don't have one of your friend them number. Not even one. You know why? Me no mix up. And me can't take up so much burn pan them. So it's like how you take up all of that by your head. I have me up for everything. So this is him. Me never call him and tell him so I stab him. I'm sorry, or if him get stitches. Listen, remember, a self-defense. Remember, you have me in a headlock. And me tell him man that. Man, glad for the apology. Me have to come here so come talk, because me no nobody and me no nothing. I'm living best life. And him just get up and be living best life. Everybody I run you down in Canada. I'll tell you something doing. Anybody where I run you down, and me make them run you down. All when you know that you don't rate that. But me I go always sing that in your head. Me, Johnny Sinister, excuse Scarlett. Will be a yammed for you, defend you. Come cuss me for Samantha. Because you always defend every girl where you mingle with, I make them class, me I angle me, and when me angle them back, you always defend them. So now like how me blow up Samantha, not top class Samantha. Samantha, you see when me that talk the day, you know me iffy, because me I say it never make no sense to me, and me I say, Dewey and the girl there for a long time, and you know, but it flying in my head. But I've got nothing bad to say about my husband, and I want now wish him no bad. Cause my husband that. I want my part, but remember, with the sign of vow, and that is between God and man. So at the end of a good day, nobody can bash me for fight for my marriage. I'm proud of myself. That's a strong black queen. That's a wife. Wife material. A long time I could have followed and take button. You hear that? I cross the path. I walk the journey. I'm talk the talk. I'm stand up firm. Doing, you can't break me. You say you can't end my career. You can't class my family and end the career. Come doing. I'm ready for you. See you like how you do dirty thing, I'm do back dirty thing. Anything, me not keep secret. I'm tough. I'm a loud and vulgar and horrible. So everybody can sit down and laugh. Not everybody. Only can mock me. But me now mock myself. Because who feels it knows it. A 2 year October come, my daughter passed away. And my husband play a huge part by being there for me. And no matter what, I will always appreciate that. Me is the forgiving woman. Because I like to be at peace. I cantangerous, yes. But when I come for that's when my cantangerous. But other than that, me's a peaceful, loving soul. I wish you well doing. Stop wish my bad. Stop compete with me. Stop tell me you want done my career. My career is my vice. So if you did top me in my mouth to feel like some my vice that I go doing it no work. I'm a covered by the blood of Jesus. Remember good. Stop try to destroy me. Stop try to destroy me. There's no comparison to the queen. You're a man. Stop compete with me. Nobody can compete with me because you know why? My life, my journey, my disgrace, my disrespect, and my downfall. From last year when I run on England, R.I.P. Rora, I thought my wedding hen. God give me the little time, little chance. Not last forever. Me as somebody who can't stand losing. So when I not sit down, nobody not serve for me. As I say, support me. Me no want nobody patronize me. Me not like it. You see all the man who call me down. Me no want a man call me down, and that's God Almighty truth. I'm not desperate. I am not lonely. I'm alright. I miss my husband. But it's a miss, so you have to miss. Cause nothing no last forever. I miss my husband. Me not gonna lie. I love my husband. But my husband do my bad. That man hates me like the word hate. My daughter tell me long time, she said, Mommy, your husband hate you. And I'm not lie. And not my fault doing. Your fault. Because you don't know self-love. When I say me not love myself, if me never love myself, just a strong attack to you. Wouldn't have no vice. Wouldn't have no strength. I doing I love himself. Doing sickly yourself. Find one nice woman. Wife advice. Find one woman where you can build a band with. Yeah? I might too loud and vulgar for you. But remember, you're loud and vulgar as a man as well. You're a horrible man. As loud as me is. When I hear you get on top of it, crazy! Me gonna give you a vehicle and done this! And done this! This what? And the rage of your voice. Thank God me get back my car doing. I will never get it back. I wouldn't have on live here, so I chat Samantha. Because I know you're going to defend her. You defend what is not yours. And you run away from what is yours, which is your wife. We stand for you. Defend you. All when they say in a cow bomb, I'm go there and take you out. I'm see you come on internet fly up at me. Me see a right coat and throw word for me. I'll let me reach out to you and say, Dewey, stop throw word for me. Make me be friends. We not have to be enemies. You not have to fight me for tear me down, youth. What you want to tear me down for? You know bill me do it. You don't put food on my table, brother. Remember good no man. Remember you get opportunity for work, good career job, And you left you go to Jamaica for the same white girl where I come from Canada. And when you beat me up the 14th of January out of my mother yard, and you make a friend move you out of all what happened. For your next Canada girl. If you go to America, you do the same thing. Man, every man do them thing. But instead of one somebody there will stand for them and care about them and fight for them, get a different anonymous respect. And that me sit down and look on. You understand me? The car come back, Yvette. God is good, baby. Me I gonna make a next page, all that. Me I do the rental something. You take for yourself. You take the car, send message to you have car key Canada. And you set bait to see if it a go care. What call them childish thing there? 1 month you have my car. Ruin my business. You do my bad. But me still I wish you good. Cause the best the more you elevate in a life, you will forget me. Do you remember you work here for 4 months? I never take up no man responsibility. Me use simple things like those and watch you. So me know what the words of you as a person, as a husband. I rather have bad times with you more than good times with someone else. Remember I sang that song to you. So me as a person had my words. But God is the mighty God. Why you think God make you get the visa? To take you out of my life. May you show off yourself. Tell them